Are you looking for the best windshield repair kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 windshield repair kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
The VERSACHEM Windshield Flowable Silicone offers one of the easiest and fastest solutions to windshield cracks and chips. Unlike resin-based windshield repair kits, it provides a new level of repair using a flowable silicone, devoid of complex tools and intricate procedures. Its advanced solventless silicone is formulated to easily flow into cracks and chips to form a clear and tough yet flexible airtight seal, resistant to shock and vibrations. This windshield repair kit is perfect not just for car windshields, but for headlamp assemblies and sunroofs as well. This works for glass, metal, rubber, concrete, wood, and plastic materials, too. Thus, it is an all-around handy tool that you can carry in the trunk of your car. But to achieve the optimum result, you must also observe the recommended temperature range. Likewise, a 1-hour setting time for the silicone should be observed, followed by a 24-hour cure time. If done right, you can save hundreds of dollars for the cost of total windshield replacement for minor cracks that can be fixed by this windshield flowable silicone at a fraction of the cost. This is a product to have in the emergency toolbox for every car owner. The Rain-X is known for making superb car care products. From headlight restoration kits to wiper blades, this company has the experience and technology to make car care products that are effective and long-lasting. This company's windshield repair kit is no exception. With great user ratings, this kit comes with a quad suction pad applicator and 0.96 ounces of resin glass repair fluid. This kit is super easy to use and, if done properly, will fix your crack or chip within minutes, excluding drying times. This kit can even fill longer cracks. Apart from windshields, it works on all kinds of laminated glass and windshields, including quarter windows, side windows, and rear screen. This advanced resin formula helps minimize the crack chip appearance very well, and also protects your windshield from further damage. Because you're getting more fluid per package, this kit can be used for multiple repairs, making this a bargain. The PERMATEX 81730 is flowable silicone sealant that repairs cracks on windshields and glass, as well as on sunroofs, RV vents, vinyl, rubber, and steel. This is resistant to extreme temperature fluctuations, vibration, and shock. It dries clear, is waterproof, and seals leaks in hard-to-reach areas. This product works really well on smaller leaks and makes the surface area watertight. It does a good job of sealing around older windows and windshields that use gaskets. You simply put a small bead around the edges, and it seats into the small openings that are leaking. However, it can be a challenge to use this product on vertical angles because it has a tendency to drip. Some users also complain that it's not more flowable than typical silicone caulk. It may also cause a bubble effect on the repaired area. The PERMATEX 09103 comes as a complete kit with everything you need and some super easy to follow instructions, making it the easiest to use on our list. This can effectively repair bullseye damage as big as a 1 1/4 inch, and it uses a high-grade resin that cures naturally under sunlight and will leave a transparent resin that will blend perfectly with your windshield. Its resin delivery system in this repair kit uses a spring lock feature that is very effective in letting air out and perfectly filling the windshield defect with raising. With this windshield repair kit, you get a more performance crack or chip repair that will not show down the line. Better yet, there is no mixing required when using this kit as it cures with natural sunlight. The only notable drawback with this windshield repair kit is that it is a little limited in the shape of the damage it can repair. However, it should still be able to handle most typical windshield imperfections. The Blue Star Windshield Repair Kit has provided excellent value for their money. A free mini scraper is included, and it should stop cracks from spreading. One possible consideration is that it does not offer a large amount of resin, which some consumers might find a concern if they have large chips or cracks to deal with. It can make consumer repairs inexpensively compared to a local glass repair shop. This kit is the most popular when it comes to the different types of laminated windshield crack repair kits. Hence, it repairs cracks quickly and easily, and stops cracks from spreading with its advanced resin formula. This kit comes with 5 different curing strips for multiple repairs. From a bullseye crack to a rock chip window crack, this D kit is one of the best windshield repair products out there. The ClearShield D windshield repair kit is available in different varieties that would suit every D worker, depending on their requirements. It comes with a large quantity of equipment such as repair bridge injectors, various inner rings, external lens seals, a thin resin bottle, various pairs of thin razor blades, and a good number of drill sets with rechargeable batteries. Its windscreen glass repair kit is good for repairing a good number of different cracks and other forms of windshield damage. The size means you can use it many times over and over again. It has the added advantage in that it comes with a toolbox. You might as well use this to help to store other tools as well. This is a kit that not only suits D workers, but can also be used for commercial purposes by professionals. This is because of its size. You can use just one kit on a good number of vehicles. Moreover, this windscreen repair kit because of its variety. This gives you ample time to choose what best suits your needs, and what will be the easiest to use for the task in hand.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.